Uncle Bud often comes to visit his niece and nephew, Anna and Ulric. Today, he has brought them each a big umbrella. Anna's umbrella is spotty, and Ulric's umbrella has red and white stripes. Later, the family goes out for a walk. Although it is a sunny day, Anna and Ulric insist on bringing their umbrellas. Everyone laughs, except Uncle Bud. "I'll take my umbrella, too," he says. They set off for their walk in the sunshine. After a while, they notice there are big black clouds on the horizon. A little while later, they feel the first raindrops starting to fall. Soon it is pouring with rain. Uncle Bud, Anna, and Ulric put up their umbrellas, shouting, up umbrellas. They are the ones laughing now. They have a lovely time, splashing in the puddles and dancing under their umbrellas.